बुधवारा पिठाच्या वांगड्यांनी आंगार निळो रंग पितारून गोयच्या थळाव्यांक जागतीक उदका दिसा निमतान 22 मार्चाक शिवराक रावपाचो संदेश दिला. उदकाच्या संकटात मांस उद्योग इंडस्ट्रीचो कितलो वांटो आसा हाचे कडेन लक्ष केंद्रीत करपाचो यत्न पिठान केला. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.
Today, in advance of World Water Day, we are here in Panjim to tell people how meat consumption is causing water wastage. So as you can see, we have a statistic over here which says that as much as 15,000 liters of water can be wasted on obtaining 1 kg of meat. A single kg of meat can require up to 15,000 liters of water. That is a huge wastage for 1 kg of meat. With the kind of consumption that is going on, we are depleting one of our most important resource for meat consumption. So the only way to reduce this is by going vegan. By going vegan, we are not only saving animals, not only saving our environment, but we are also saving ourselves. There are like many aspects to veganism. There is health, there is environment, when we save water. So today mainly we are here in advance of World Water Day to tell you all about the environment aspect of veganism and to tell people that going vegan is one of the most important things right now for us to save water.
Do you think that the vegetable doesn't require water?
Vegetables surely requires water, but comparatively a lot less than that of food. So that is why we are suggesting that we have to reduce and eventually stop consuming meat so as to save water.
When you eat meat, a lot of meat, you tend to waste a lot of water. So if you opt to become a vegan and cut down your meat intake, you can save a lot of water. You see, these days water scarcity is a big problem in India, as well as people are turning from vegetarians to non-vegetarians very rapidly. So please save water by turning vegan.
Basically, we want to make you realize how your choice of consuming meat and animal products, it leads to water wastage. Because you need to raise animals for food. You clear land, you feed them a lot of water. For example, here as you can see, it takes, for 1 kg of meat, it takes 15,000 liters of water. So that's a big wastage. If you go vegan, you can help save a lot of water. You save more resources. We are volunteering for PETA, which is the world's largest animal rights organization. So in India, they're headquartered in Mumbai and they organize events all over India. So we're doing it for Goa because in Goa there's hardly any proper demonstration by PETA. So we're starting a movement here in Goa.